Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Wi-Fi icon is missing or not showing on your Windows. You can find the Wi-Fi options on the settings and also the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. Well, in that case, we need to fix the issue. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we need to check if the WLAN autoconfig service has stopped running, because in that case, you will really face the issue. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. I mean like services. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type services. Now services will appear under the best match. Just simply click on that. And here in the services window, we need to scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig service. This one, all you have to do is make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, startup type, make sure that is automatic. Service status, if it has stopped running in your case, just simply click on start, click on apply and click on OK. And then click on the restart button at the left pane. Now once done, close out of here. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa. It's ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection, your Wi-Fi connection. Make a right click and then select disable. Now if you're going to disable that and then enable it again, that will refresh it. So wait in a while and then you have to enable that. Then make a right click, select enable. And you will be reconnected again to your connection, and after that just check if the Wi-Fi icon is back in your Windows. Okay, now once done, close out of here. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to look for the network adapters, this one, and then locate your network adapter or your network driver. Make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here you have to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this window. And after that, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now, if for the next method, go back to the same device manager window and then locate again your network adapter or network driver. Make a right click and then select uninstall device. And you have to click on the uninstall button and that will uninstall the driver from your Windows. Now, what you can do and how you can reinstall that, just simply close all these windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. And for the last method, click on the start button and you have to go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select network and internet. At the bottom, you'll find the option Advanced Network Settings. Click on that. Under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. Click on that. So what you can do before you can go on with this process is you need to back up your connection password or your Wi-Fi password. And then you have to click on the reset now. You have to click on yes. And after that, your Windows will be restarted. Then you just have to enter again your connection password and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.